With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, in this question we are given that if n is a positive integer greater than unity, then z is a complex number satisfying the equation z to the power n equals to z plus 1 to the power n. Then we have to find what is the real value of z. So let's proceed with the solution. We have z to the power n equals to z plus 1 to the power n, right? Now if we take this term here, so we can say that z to the power n divided by z plus 1 to the power n equals to 1, or z by z plus 1 to the power n equals to 1. Now if we take power this side, so we can say that z divided by z plus 1 equals to 1 to the power 1 by n. That means z by z plus 1 is nothing but nth root of unity, right? So we can say that mod of z divided by z plus 1 will be equals to 1. Now we know that we are given with mod of a by b, then we can write it as mod of a divided by mod of b, right? So using this property here, we can write that mod of z divided by mod of z plus 1 is equals to 1, or it implies that mod of z equals to mod of z plus 1, right? Now we square on both sides, then we will get, we know that if we are given with mod of z square, then it is nothing but z times z conjugate, right? So here we can write that mod of z square is nothing but z into z conjugate, and mod of z plus 1 square is nothing but z plus 1 into z plus 1 conjugate, right? Now if we consider let z equals to x plus iota y, that is the standard form of a complex number, so its z conjugate will be nothing but x minus iota y, right? So here we have z into z conjugate, so it will be equals to x plus iota y into x minus iota y equals to x plus 1 plus iota y into x plus 1 minus iota y, right? Now if we multiply both terms, we will get, this is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, so it will be a square, which will be x square minus b square, b is iota y, right? And similarly here it will be a square minus b square, right? So we can see that these two terms are same, so it will cancel out. Now we are remaining with x square equals to x plus 1 square. Now if we expand this square, we will get x square equals to x square plus 1 plus 2x. Now x square and x square will also cancel out, so it will become 2x plus 1 equals to 0, or x equals to minus 1 by 2, right? Now x is nothing but the real part of this complex number, right? This is the real part of complex number, and in the question we need to find the real part of complex number itself, and it came out to be, we can say that real part of z is nothing but minus 1 by 2, which is less than 0. Now if we see in the options, real part of z is less than 0 is option 1, so option 1 is our correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.